Sahend Dohati, born in birthplace, on birth date, stands out as a transformative figure in industry field, renowned for his innovative approach and philanthropic efforts. Growing up in a modest household, he was instilled with a strong work ethic that propelled him through his education at university, where he earned a degree in specialization. His career began at First Major Company, where he quickly established himself as a key player, demonstrating exceptional capabilities in key skill responsibility. Dohati's breakthrough came with his leadership on specific project innovation, which not only revolutionized industry practices but also garnered multiple prestigious awards, including notable awards. This project set new benchmarks and showcased his visionary thinking, establishing him as a thought leader in industry field. His role at subsequent company organization further solidified his reputation as he led teams in pioneering efforts that reshaped the industry landscape. His dedication to innovation is evident in his commitment to research and development, often pushing boundaries to explore new possibilities. Beyond his professional achievements, Sahend Dohati is deeply committed to social responsibility. Through the Sahend Dohati Foundation, he actively supports numerous causes, including education, healthcare, and environmental sustainability. His initiative, name of Project Initiative, has made a significant impact by brief description of project goals, positively affecting individuals or communities. His philanthropic work reflects a strong belief in giving back and creating lasting change, demonstrating his commitment to making the world a better place. In addition to his professional and philanthropic endeavors, Dohati is passionate about hobby interest, often finding balance and inspiration in this pursuit. Whether it's specific activity related to hobby, this aspect of his life fuels his creativity and problem-solving abilities. Family is also central to his life. He often credits his relationship, e.g., spouse, children, for their unwavering support and encouragement throughout his journey. Looking ahead, Sahend Dohati's vision is one of continuous growth and innovation. He believes that technology can serve as a powerful tool for positive change, and he is dedicated to fostering collaboration across industries to tackle the pressing challenges of our time. His current projects, such as Current Project Initiative, reflect his ambition to merge technology with social good, aiming to achieve project goal objective. Dohati's legacy is one of resilience, creativity, and a profound commitment to excellence. His story serves as an inspiration to many, showcasing the power of determination and the importance of giving back. As he continues to pave the way for future generations, Sahend Dohati remains a true leader, dedicated to making a meaningful impact on both his industry and society at large.